Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today on the Trans 8, we are going to be changing the headlight bulbs and the headlight motors, which are right here. These look pretty easy. I'm not going to look up how to do it. It looks pretty self-explanatory. We already checked. We do have power coming from the wires. If you've been following this car, you know it was an electrical mess. So I'm pretty sure these motors are just blown, but we ordered them anyway. A little pricey, like 75 bucks for the pair. First thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to crank these up, because you can manually raise these. I forget which way, but yeah, we're going to crank these up, and we are going to take the headlights out. So I'll show you real quick how to do that. Nice and easy, I think. So give me a minute. All right, you got the headlights lifted. Now, in order to access these, you have a screw here and a screw here, but those are your adjustments for your beams. So you don't want to touch that. So what we're going to do is, on each side, we have 2 Phillips there, and we have 2 Phillips here. So I'm thinking, once I pull this whole housing off, it should be pretty simple. So let me get to it.
Yeah.
All right, now we can see what's going on to change the bulb. So to change the bulb, looks like it's going to be one here, one here. Oh, these ones down low are going to suck. One there and one there. So I'm going to do this off camera and see where we end up. Quick little note, the bottoms are slotted, so you can leave those screws in place. So that should make life easier. So now the bulb it's free, but it's kind of tight. So we're going to look at this with the flashlight and see if we have to disconnect the bulb first, which we probably do. So let me look into this. All right, so we got the new bulb in place, and in case you're wondering, we went with these Phillips H4666C1s. They're like 10 bucks off of Amazon or whatever. So now we're going to take the frame, slip it back on underneath, and screw it back in. So let me jump on that. Let's try them out. Pretty sure they're not supposed to go off. All right, pretty sure they're not supposed to go off when I hit the high beams. Oh, wait, they popped on. So, another electrical gremlin, but we'll figure that out. Next up, we're going to take these motors off. So, let's jump on that. So, moving on to the motor here. First thing you're going to want to do is pull this clip out the way. We're not going to need that on there. Then you're going to need a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench. Now, like most men in America, if you look here, the 10mm is missing and the 10mm is missing. But thanks to Harbor Freight, they sell this little kit that is all 10mm. So I'm just going to grab kind of a deep one here, I think. And as soon as we're done, we're going to put her back because we don't want to lose her. And we're going to take the cheater socket. And we're going to take off what appears to be 3 nuts and bolts. So while I'm sure I'm going to struggle with this a little bit, I'm going to put you guys down and we'll be right back. Here we are back on the motor. And that one lower one's a little bit of a punk, but we got her. So after you drop the nut and have to fish it out, then you can pull out your bolts. And I'm hoping that this just falls off. Should be on some sort of a gear. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Looks like the arm comes with it. Let me put that down and take a look at this. Yeah. Probably want to take that arm off first. but we're learning. So I'm going to take that arm off next. All right, now that bar, she might get a little ornery on you, so you might have to do what I did and just jam a screwdriver down here and pop her out. But I think now we're free. That's it. She's out. So we're going to repeat the process over there. And this time we're going to take that out first. Alright, so we got the new motors in. As you can see, they are different. One is a driver, one is a passenger. So I'm not going to show you putting, installing these, because it's only these 3 nuts and bolts and then the one that goes on the light itself. So I'm going to get these on, and hopefully these lights go up on their own. We'll find out shortly. So here we are back in the garage, and we are hoping that they open. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah. All right, we are calling that a win. So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something here, and don't forget, get off the couch and get in the garage.